Hi, it's Heather Michet with Iris Healing Arts, showing you a way to easily stem kale. Especially when the stalks that you're using are older, i.e. larger, those stems can be really big and tough. Unless you're putting them into a smoothie where they're going to get pulverized by a high-speed blender. So you don't need a knife. Just simply get your kale leaf, hold the end of it with one hand, and with the other, in the first 3 fingers, including your thumb, just make a little cuff around it and pull your cuff finger along the stem, and it's now stemmed. Super quick, super easy. This is important to do if you're making kale chips or you just want to make a salad. I'm going to make this into a salad. One of my favorite dressings. And there you go. Got some wonderful kale that's stemmed and ready to go for your kale chips or for salad or other uses. Check out my other videos on my YouTube channel, Heather Michet, and I'll see you next time.